Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Apple Pay setup issues. All right, let's begin. First, verify that your specific Apple device is fully compatible and that your financial institution supports Apple Pay, as configuration errors often happen when an account or card is unsupported. Next, open the built-in wallet app on your device to confirm your primary Apple ID is logged in and verified. You also need to make sure your operating system is updated to the latest iOS version and that you are connected to a stable cellular or Wi-Fi network. If it remains stuck, perform a hard restart on your iPhone, as a quick reboot clears frozen system caches. Additionally, check your device security settings to ensure Face ID, Touch ID, or a device passcode is completely enabled, as Apple Pay requires these protocols for user authentication. Finally, if you still cannot add your card, contact your card-issuing bank to check for security holds or reach out directly to Apple support to complete your registration. So that's basically how you can fix Apple Pay setup issues. That's it for this video. Thanks!